Hi! In front of me is Nokia C12 and today I would like to show you how you can operate vibration options. First of all, go into settings and scroll down just a bit to access sound. Following that, scroll down again and click on Vibrate Vocals. Then tap on one of those options to apply the best one for your incoming calls. Never vibrate, always vibrate, or vibrate first, then ring gradually. I will go with never vibrate, so I have to click on it and go back. You can also tap on the shortcut to prevent ringing. Enable it thanks to this switcher. And set up vibrate if it's not already on. Then go back as well. Finally, scroll all the way down and click on those two switchers next to charging sounds and vibration. And touch vibration to enable or disable them. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!